Alright, so we start off today's video with this piece of wood. Looks like they have some type of bracket. Some lighting. Oh, she spray painted that black. Oh, wow. Oh, that is the coolest lamp design I have ever seen. And it didn't seem too complicated to do. Wow. Wow, now that is a very impressive project idea. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. Now here we have someone doing the Wavy Mirror trend. Alright, so she's got the outline going here. Now this seems like a fairly fun project to try if you do know how to work with wood. Oh, she's got two different layers for this one. And then she goes in with the double painting, neutral color. Looks like a lot of work, honestly. I'd rather just buy the Wavy Mirror design. That's cute. Very cool. And if she wanted to, she could have actually did two different colors, like white and maybe that neutral tone, but I like it. Alright, so DIY number 3 looks like some type of planter design. Now all of these are like kind of beginner friendly, and by that I mean the planter DIYs are beginner friendly. You're basically gonna grab like a can, an old can, or some type of jar or some sort, and just kind of upcycle it. I actually liked it white. So this kind of looks like a navy blue color now that I'm seeing it in this lighting. Maybe it's just the lighting because it looks black there. Alright, so moving on to the next one, we have different colored paper here. Cutting out some circles. Oh, spray painting them gold. I like where this is going. They have a nice like texture to them too. Okay, so they spray painted both sides. Oh, they're folding them, that's why. Okay. So I'm thinking they're making some kind of like artwork design here. putting it on a blank canvas and then just kind of playing around with the design. I mean, you guys already know I'm a fan of this because I love anything gold, so, well, almost anything gold. Oh, that is pretty. It kind of looks like some coins or something, right? This could be framed too. I think that would look awesome. It looks good like this, but if it was framed with a gold frame around it, oh, perfection. Alright, so then we got this DIY planter, hanging planter design. So she's using some old lamps for this. Old lamp shades, I should say. Wow, she is making this project look so easy. I like the brass color that she went along with. That looks nice. And then she stained that wood. This could easily be like a shelf too. Like a wall shelf. I think that would be cute. Yeah, those came out awesome. Very cool idea. Alright, so we have some type of furniture flip here. So they are adding the stencil to create a design. Some gold detailing. I wonder what it looked like the before. Like, we didn't really get to see what it looked like before they started doing all the stencil. Maybe they just added the stencil and then the little gold pieces and that was it. And then did like a little refresh on the legs. Okay, now here we have a very realistic DIY. So they obviously made this plaster style table. We see these all the time on TikTok. And this one looks a little lumpy, bumpy, you know, not very smooth. But I actually like it. I think it looks very like realistic, homemade. I think that they just did a good job on the table overall. This is like, if I were to create a table like this is how it would come out. So they use planters here. I'm guessing this is for the base. Glued two of them together. Okay, so then they're adding the plaster. Yeah, see, I think they didn't do the smoothing part, which is why it kind of looked kind of lumpy. But like I said, if I were to create that table, I bet you it would come out like that. So we move on to the next project. This one involves an old tin can and some popsicle sticks. Painting it to give it that like stained appearance. Oh, they just put their plan in there. Okay. Nice, simple DIY. Wow, this is actually bigger than I thought it was. It looks like they might have used like an old trash can or... Oh no, never mind. It's just a viewpoint. Alright, so moving on to the next one. This one is a furniture flip. So they're gonna upgrade their little... What do they call this? Like a storage... area? Storage... piece? Oh wow. Oh, she added gold. Okay, black and gold. Some woodwork. I feel like this is always gonna upgrade. Oh my gosh. Wow. I love watching transformations. I can't even talk. I love watching transformations like this. This is absolutely gorgeous. Love this piece. Very cool idea. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.